Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is GIGI GRAZIANO, and I post fashion, lifestyle, and beauty videos weekly. In this week's video, I'm going to show you guys a Nasty Gal try-on haul. I really like Nasty Gal because they often have sales, and I love being bougie on a budget, and that's really important to me because I love saving money. But so today we're just going to get into it. I did not open these boxes yet, so I'm excited. I have that big one that I just showed you, and I also have this teeny little one. So we will see. Let's start off with the small one, I guess. Let's dive right in. Well, I probably don't even know. Oh, okay. What? Yes, we have a off-the-shoulder crop top, or you can wear it on the shoulder. I just thought it was a really nice basic because I'm trying to redo my wardrobe right now. And I want a lot of black, a lot of white, gray, tan, just so I could match everything and like rebuild it back up. But this is called Square Neck Slinky Crop Black. I got it in a size 10 because, you know, my little issue. I think it's just a really slinky material. It's just so stretchy, it conforms to your body. Awesome. There's gonna be a lot of black items, I swear. Okay. Second item is a black dress with some netting on the sleeves. You know, I just love a nice LBD because you can wear it up, you could dress it down. I personally think this will be amazing for the spring and summertime. And it has a really square neck, which is gonna look dynamite. I also got this in a size 10. Let's talk about this, okay? We love a good set of buttons. You could cover it up if you want to be conservative, but if not, bust it open. I love a nice ribbed shirt. And it looks a little see-through now, but what are you gonna do, right? Really, really cool. Awesome. Love it. Another awesome piece I got is this black bodysuit with this nice netting on the arm, so it's nice and see-through. Very cute. But it has a deep V in the bottom, and most importantly, has a thong kind of back. Doesn't really look like a thong, but it is. And that's so important. We can't be having no wedgie lines up in this style vid. So this is going to be awesome to pair with a skirt. I think this will look so cute with a skirt and some black booties, or any color booties, or even sneakers, just to go out with your friends, nice cocktail or something. Awesome, love this. I also got this black one-arm shirt because I'm obsessed with the one-arm trend. I think it's so flattering, and when you have a shirt that, you know, cinches in your body, it makes your waist look sucked in, and that's what we're going for every single day. And this I would pair, I could dress it up, dress it down once again. That's what all my items, that's what I try to do. But dress it up, dress it down. I think I want to wear this with some jeans, maybe even some sweatpants, anything. But black, here it is. If you don't have one of these, get yourself one, girl. Okay, for the last item in the small package, I got a body chain because I have a couple belt chains, but I didn't have a gold one yet, so I got this one, and it was on sale. I think it was like $8. It has all these gold little coins on it. And you know, it's just dainty. It's not the best quality ever, but what are you gonna do? Let me know down below how you would style a gold chain belt. I just wanna know, I'm curious. This is my last clothing item, and it is a set in this beautiful, like, fuchsia magenta color. It's these long pants that go down to the floor. The material is, I love it. It is, the material is 95% polyester. I love polyester. I really do. How beautiful are those with a nice pair of mules, or, you know, just like strappy heels. Beautiful. The top is just a one shoulder moment once again. And I think this color is just gorgeous for spring. I have a lot of events coming up, like wedding showers, baby showers, baptism, christening, you know, the whole ordeal. And I was thinking about wearing one of this. I was thinking about wearing this to a bridal shower, and I can't wait. It looks so nice with a tan too. Okay, the last portion of this haul is I got 3 pairs of shoes. So I'm really pumped for this because I am obsessed with shoes. If I see a deal, I'm snagging them. If I try them on, they look good on my feet. Gotta have them. I have a sickness, I guess. For the first pair of shoes, they are this mini brown booty, okay? This V right here is gonna give that leg, it's gonna elongate it, and that's what we want for us short girls. 5'3" and under club. And I follow this YouTuber, well, I watch this YouTuber, Tony Said, and she posted these, and I saw them. I was like, I need those for the summertime. I just need these. And the color, oh, so gorgeous. I think everybody needs these. These clothes. My second pair of shoes is some random brand S. Whatever. And these are some sock booties. So I had a black pair of boots, but they got destroyed, and I just love the look of these. I like how sucked into your leg it looks, and these are gonna be, they feel really high quality. I gotta say that about Nasty Gal, is that they feel high quality. The only issue is that there's some glue on the edges, but I mean, I guess nobody could be perfect. I would probably style these with a dress to like edge it up a little bit. For an edgier look, just wear like all black, or some track pants with this. Honestly, for airport style too, if these are really comfy, which they're probably gonna be, you can wear these to the airport so that it's lighter on your luggage. These are amazing, and I don't know why I didn't order these sooner. Oh, by the way, I also got everything on sale. I think it was 55% off. So these were originally like $40, got them for $20. Serious. Okay, my last pair of shoes, no name. They're feeling kind of light, a little scary. Oh my god. Okay, so if you've seen Kanye's brand, you know that he has a pair of sandals where they have like a little on top, right? I saw these and I was like, okay, first off, neon's my color. Second of all, I need this style shoe. Are you ready? Are we loving these or what? These are so cute. Cuter than I expected. Honestly, can't wait to play with an all gray outfit, all neon. Can you imagine? I love it. Love it. Love, love, love it. Alright guys, I hope you check out Nasty Gal because they have some really, really, really good sales and they're often, which is amazing. So my overall review of Nasty Gal is amazing. So check it out, guys. And thank you for tuning in. If you want to see more videos like this, aka hauls, like this video. If you want to see more of me, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, do whatever you gotta do. Alright everybody, have a nice day. Ciao.